everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Crafty Valerie. Today I will not be doing a sewing tutorial or making something for you. Instead, I will be displaying a number of sewing terminology. I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. This video is mainly for you sewing beginners so that you can get familiarized and more knowledgeable with these sewing terms, so that when you're working with your projects, it can be a lot easier. So let me know if you're interested in a copy of this list of sewing terms, and I will be happy to send them to you. Thank you for watching. much for watching. I hope that you learned something today, which is one of the reasons why I created this channel, was to help you sewing beginners to make your sewing a lot easier. I will be doing the rest of the sewing terminology list on my next video, so I hope to see you there. If you're liking these videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, don't hesitate to put them on the comments. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, have fun keeping it crafty.